Are you looking for the best electric riding lawn mower? In this video, we will break down the top 6 electric riding lawn mowers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
Husqvarna Yta24v48 is a great choice for those who want to handle larger areas of lawn. The large garden could take a long time to finish. This buddy has a pedal which is easy to operate. It will be helpful for a large area. This model can cut the grass in the lawn at a quick rate with great quality. All you need to do is just drive and direct your lawn mower to the targeted area, and this vehicle will do the charm by itself. It has a load of features which will benefit you in every aspect. Besides pedal riding, the other key features are the chokeless start, electric clutch, as well as charge port. The sophisticated air induction tech in the tool is also a contributing factor to the good quality airflow. Moreover, this mower is a tough buddy in every environment. Even though you are working in the harsh weather, this tough guy will accompany you from the beginning to the end. The manufacturer of this product claimed that this will leave the grass all at the same level. It also offers a 3-year warranty. Troy-Bilt comes with a sturdy structure and a powerful engine. It is comfortable to ride, as well as easy to operate. Whether you are a first-time user or a professional, you would be able to use this product without facing any hassle. It is equipped with a Brigg & Stratton Intech engine of 19 horsepower and 540 ccs along with an automatic foot pedal transmission. It also has a step-through frame and mid-back seat for providing easy in and out access to the operator. Also, the steering wheel comes with a soft touch feature, and the foot pedal further makes any heavy-duty job more efficient. The rear and front wheels are 15 into 6 inch and 20 into 8 inch respectively, offering easy maneuverability. Moreover, this lawnmower can be used for both commercial and personal purposes. It is a powerful lawnmower, which is also very easy to install. It is safe to use. The deck rises and lowers with the push of a button. Snapper 2911525 BVE mower is a great choice if you have a small yard. It even works really well on medium landscapes. It is affordable and you get a lot of great features. First of all, the engine is pretty good. It has 11.5 HP and a motor of 344 cubic centimeters, so that will help you do a good job. It is small and has a 28 inches wide deck, which is perfect if you don't have to mow a large field. It comes with a 4-cycle OHV engine, which is relatively efficient when it comes to fuel consumption. This product comes with the possibility of choosing between 5 blade speeds. You can adjust the speed according to your needs. It will save you a lot of storage space due to the vertical stand-on edge feature. Also, it will not have high fuel consumption, and there is no need for a more powerful one if you do not own a large land. Moreover, these rear-engine mowers come with a really high quality, so you can count on this product to do a great job for a really long time. Troy-Bilt Pony riding lawn mower is perfect for large residential fields and lawns that need to be maintained regularly. Designed to suit the needs of residential users, its engine delivers sufficient torque and power required for effective cutting right away. Its engine not only delivers a top-notch performance, but it is also much more long-lasting than that of other models. And this is made possible by its strong and sturdy forged steel crankshaft. Also, note that this product is made in America with the best US and global parts. Also, this machine features a 7-speed transmission that has dash panel controls. These make it easy for the operator to see and adjust while riding it along the field. Moreover, the 18-inch turning radius of this mower is sufficiently narrow to help you optimize the mowing and finish the chore faster. And in addition to offering all these benefits, it can also be driven and maneuvered easily on majority terrains. Husqvarna Yth18542 mower can save your storage space, and you can use it for your large ground or yard. It has various features such as fender-mounted cutting height adjustment, and you can adjust their cutting width to trim long or hard grasses. It has adjustable seats, and the ergonomic steering wheels of this mower can provide utmost flexibility and comfort, and you can use its hydrostatic transmission system to cut the grasses in different patterns. They equip it with an Intech engine, which has 18.5 horsepower. Also, it has air induction mowing technology, which can increase the airflow within the deck and keep your garden neat and clean. Moreover, this mower collects the grass clippings. You can use such clippings as organic fertilizer, and you can tow your riding mower to run it on the slopes. Husqvarna Yth24v48 48-inch is ready to operate to support you to conduct the tasks in professional levels. It is not exactly the most affordable lawn mower that you can find in the market, but it indeed offers the value that is worth the money. It has such a superb-sized cutting deck with comfortable seating. The design of the tractor is ergonomic so that you can easily operate it without feeling exhausted. You will have no problems when cutting the grass. Whether your grass is dry or wet, it will be easier to handle your routine tasks. While some commoners are struggling to cut the grass during the wetter seasons, it won't be a problem for this buddy. Moreover, it is a great performer in the market. With the comfortable seat and armrests, you will be able to finish your assignment in one go. This model can conduct multiple jobs on a daily basis. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.